Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to test a wireless mouse before buying it. First, you need to install a battery on the battery compartment of the wireless mouse. And take out the wireless receiver and insert it into the USB port of your PC. Power on the switch of the wireless mouse to start using it.
Nami original pero wireless.
After the wireless mouse is powered on, you can now test it freely. Don't forget to test also the scroll of the mouse. If the mouse is working normally, then that's good. That's it guys, that's how you test a wireless mouse. Like and subscribe guys for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, God bless.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.